All right, guys, so today you're going to read lesson 2, which is on regions of North America. And before you go into the reading, we're going to talk about the 5 vocabulary words that you're going to see during your reading of the selection. Okay, the first word is region. So a region is an area with one or more characteristics in common. So we can look at regions as being, languages that are spoken. So if you look at the regions of a map, you can say all of these area here, they speak English. All of this area here could speak Spanish. All of this area could speak French. So that's one way that you can look at a region. But also you can look at a region for it's like climate. We can divide climates on a regional map as well. So it's a characteristic that a specific area has in common. All right, so then we're going to go into the second word here, which is economy. And economy is a system people use to produce goods and services. So when we look at an economy, when we go to Walmart and we're buying things like food and clothing, okay, that helps the economy. When people are, they have jobs, they've got money to buy these things, they're going to go out to our stores and then they're going to purchase items and products from that store. So we've got buying and we've got selling going on. You've got the person buying and you've got the company who is selling the product. All right, then we have specialization. Specialization is when a region produces a lot of one product. If we think about a specific item or a specific good that an area could have, for example, sugar cane. Okay, sugar cane is not something that's grown in North Carolina. It comes from a region that produces a lot of it. Here, if we were thinking about North Carolina, specifically where we kind of live, we get a lot of seafood. That's one of the products that comes out of eastern North Carolina. And we also have, lots of vegetables. Specifically in North Carolina, we're big on sweet potatoes. We're one of the leading producers of turkeys and chickens. So we specialize in making those products here in North Carolina. Okay, so when you go to the store, you become this fourth word, which is the consumer. You're the person who buys the goods, or you're the person who pays for a service. So buying goods is like going to Walmart and getting your groceries. You're buying those items. But let's say, for example, mom, dad takes you over to get your hair cut. Okay, that person offers a service. They are going to cut your hair, but you still pay them in order to do that. Or when they take their car into the shop to get the oil changed in it, those people are providing a service that they're paying for. Okay? And then the last word we talk about is trade. So trade is that buying and selling of goods. So countries trade with one another. We think of things like, oil. If we have oil or natural gas that's being produced in certain areas of the world, but not in all areas of the world, those people still need oil and natural gas. So they will buy it from countries that have oil and natural gas and ship it into their country. Okay, so this is what we call trade. And these are the vocabulary words you guys are going to see in your reading today. So I want you to go in now and read the selection, Regions of North America.